Hello everyone, I am McKinley and this is my PowerPoint on bullying and suicide. This is for SE504, Dr. Dunbar. First up, I have an 18-year-old boy and what he has to say about bullying and suicide. Have you ever been bullied?
Yes, a few times.
How did it make you feel?
Very upset. Very tough to deal with.
Okay. If you know of someone being bullied or thinking of suicide, what would you do?
I don't personally believe by talking it out with them. I would help the person with suicide follows by telling a teacher or a parent.
Alright, so this is what our 18-year-old boy has to say about bullying and suicide. Here are bullying key facts. Our three statistics on bullying. Bully victims are 2 to 3 times more likely to consider suicide. 160,000 students stay home from school daily because of bullying. 10 to 14-year-old girls are at higher risk. Suicide, or suicide key facts. The three statistics on suicide. The third leading cause of death in young children is suicide. The resulting in 4,400 deaths in a year. 14% of high school students have considered committing suicide and 7% have attempted. Okay, addressing bullying. There are many different types of bullying. Bullying can escalate if the victim feels like they have nowhere to turn or they don't know what to do. They don't know how to handle the situation. This is when they start to consider suicide. I focused on cyberbullying. This is bullying on digital devices. The people who are key factors in bullying is the bully and the one who is getting bullied. The people that can help with these situations are administrators, teachers, and parents. Here are the warning signs of suicide. The ones that stick out good to me are depression, saying goodbye to people, and then having trouble sleeping and eating. These are some ways that we can prevent suicide. We should always take accusations seriously. Here is what a parent and an advocate in the workplace has to say about bullying and suicide. Do you think bullying is a problem with suicide today, whether it be in the school or the workplace?
Yes, I think bullying is a big problem. I witnessed it a few times at my job, and anyway, I brought it to the people's attention that was actually doing the bullying to make them see how they was treating that person, and ask them would they like to be treated. Would they like to have somebody treat them that way? And anyway, just try to nip it in the bud as whenever you see it, so it don't get blown way out of proportion. And I just try to talk them down and get it stopped.
What are some ways you can help someone who is being bullied or thinking of suicide?
Talk to them. If I see it, like I said, I try to stop it, but I'll go talk to them and tell them that they need to be, they need to feel better about themselves and not let people talk them down like that.
All right, here's our important information, our hotline. It's 1-800-273-8255, or if it is a dire emergency, 911. Our online chat if you do not